In today's video, I'm going to share how you can earn Bitcoin for free. And as always, I've trialed this, I've tested this, and in this video, I'm going to share with you my results. Now, on the screen here, this is a blog article that I originally did in 2018, and I've been through and I've updated this and, taken out things that are not relevant anymore. And I'll drop a link to this below for you because there's a number of different ways you can earn free Bitcoin, and you can see this is quite a long article, so I'm not going to go through all of this in today's video, so I'll drop a link to this below for you. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. So let's just jump right into this, and I'll share with you exactly how you can earn free Bitcoin. I'll share with you my results. We'll look at the website that you need, and basically make sure you watch the video till the end, because by the end of this video you'll know how this works, how to get all of this set up, and it's really simple and very quick to do. So let's jump into today's video and I'll show you exactly step by step how you can earn Bitcoin for free. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. And for my #1 method to make money online, where you can earn anywhere from $100 daily up to $1,000, check out this link here. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So let's just jump straight into this. So the website we're going to be using today is this one over here, and it's called Coinbase. And you can see at this moment in time I've got a portfolio, I use that word loosely, of £8.12 over on Coinbase. But I didn't have to invest any money in for this. As you can see here, this was my balance over on Coinbase. It was zero. Then all of a sudden in one day, it spiked up here. Literally jumped up and it went up to £7.29, and it's now worth £8.12. So basically there will be a link to this below for you. There's also links over in this article as well, so it's entirely up to you whichever link you want to click on. But basically, you go over to Coinbase and you sign up, and it's free to join Coinbase. And also, if you're already a member of Coinbase, then you can still use this to earn free Bitcoin. Now you'll see on the left hand side, once you've created an account down here, it says earn rewards. So I'll click on here and I'll show you this. Excuse me. So at the top, this here is known as a cryptocurrency. If I scroll down, this is a cryptocurrency, as is this one, and this one. Now basically these cryptocurrencies, they're trying to get more people looking at their token or their currency, and in order to get more people looking at it and understand a little bit more about them, they're offering free currency. And then what happens is, once you've gone ahead and you've watched these videos on here, they will give you money for doing so. So you can see here, like this Stellar Lumens down here. What is Stellar? This video, it's 2 minutes and you can earn $2. And then this one here is 3 minutes and you can earn $2, 2 minutes and you can earn $2. Now what happens here is, once you've watched the video, at the end of the video you get multiple choice questions. And to be honest with you, I went through all of this and I didn't even watch the videos. A lot of it was just common sense. So basically I went through these videos here, as you can see, and at the end of it, I answered the questions, and then I'll show you this. Let me go to portfolio. Let me go to home. Scroll down here. You see where it says recent transactions? So you can see down here, look, converted from Stellar Lumens. If I let me click on here, I'll show you if it's got any more. But basically, I got the token and I converted it into Bitcoin. And then this one here, you see this received maker, and then I converted maker over into Bitcoin. So at this moment in time, in my account, I have got £8.11 worth of Bitcoin for nothing, basically. I've literally watched a couple of videos, and it's genuinely really simple to do. So sign up to Coinbase, come over here on the left hand side where it says earn rewards, and I'll show you one of these videos right now on this video. So let's just scroll down. So I've gone through this one here, this Stellar Lumen. If I then go up to this one here, this Maker, look, you can earn $6 by watching videos. And you see this one here? I've already watched this video here, so what is it? Then we'll go over to this one here, so Maker Governance, and literally click on here. It opens up into a new tab for you. And then it starts playing automatically. Now what you have to do with this is you have to click on the sound button, because sometimes it's not on. So you click on there, and also sometimes down here this is turned off as well, so you want to unmute it, and then just watch the video. It's really short. And then if you scroll down here, you see it says quiz, and it says down here, who runs Maker DEO? Select the answers to earn $2. So one of these here will be mentioned within this video. So let's just go up and have a look at this and see if we can literally find the answer without having to watch all of the video. So who runs it? Let's have a look.
Decisions and upgrades are managed by the community of MKR token holders who take on the responsibility of governing the platform to ensure it.
Token holders. So MKR holders. Done. Look at that. I've just earned $2. I didn't even have to watch all of the video. So if I click on next, you then go to the next video. What is the vision? And again, you've got your questions down here. So let me just pause this. What do you need to generate DAI today? So one of these here will be mentioned within the video. And basically you watch the video, you select the answer down here. And then once you've done that, you earn the currency. So let me just come out of here quickly for you. And we'll go back as well. We'll just go back over to here. We'll click on rewards. Click on home. And hopefully it should now be in our account. Normally it happens within a minute to 2 minutes for this to come into your account. Have we got it in here yet? No, we haven't. Let's just refresh the page. You see, it's gone up to £9.58, so I'm guessing if I now scroll down the page, look, I just earned £1.47, and you saw how quick that was. It's quick, it's simple, and it's easy. So now I have got this token here, this cryptocurrency, within my account. So if I want to now convert this into Bitcoin, it's really simple to do. So I'm going to click on here. And then you can see here, I've currently received this into my account basically. So if I click on here, click on overview, and you see over here where it says convert, we click on here, convert. And I'm just going to click on convert all because I want to convert all of that. So £1.48, and you can see exactly how much Bitcoin you're going to get for this. So this is how much I will receive into my account. I click on convert now. And it just takes a second or so. And look, your order was submitted. We'll send you an email once it's done. But again, it doesn't take long for this to arrive into your account. So let's go to the home page and see if this has been done. Let's just click on portfolio. And we're going to scroll down here. And now look, it's all Bitcoin. So I now have £9.56 worth of Bitcoin in my account. Really quick, easy, and it's legitimate. So there's nothing, there's nothing dodgy about this or, underhand. It's all legitimate things. Now, obviously, these companies here probably don't want you to, switch out their token into Bitcoin. They would like you, to learn a bit more about these and potentially buy more so that, they can start expanding their company and lots more. But that is simply how you can earn Bitcoin with this platform here. So as I've mentioned, I'll drop links to everything below for you. I'll drop a link to Coinbase. I'll also drop a link to this article here for you. And I also did a follow-up to this article where you can see on here I shared my results from not just what I'm sharing with you in today's video, but a couple of different ways of earning free Bitcoin. Now, one other thing to share with you is, if I go over here, if I come down here, you'll find with some of these here, so like this Stellar Lumens, for example, you can see you earn $2, $2, $2. Some of them, like this one here, look, give your friends a gift of Stellar, you can earn $40 extra. So if I click on here, and this will just open up in a second. Look, give your friends the gift of Stellar Lumens, invite up to 4 friends to earn 2. This can be new or existing Coinbase users, and basically you'll earn $10 in this token for each eligible friend who completes a lesson. So anyone signs up, not only will you earn the $2 or the $4, you'll actually earn an extra $10 on top of this. And you can only do that, you can see here, 0 of 4 claims. So you can only do this 4 times, but it's $40 for basically giving it away to somebody. So there's that one there with Stellar, and I think, from memory, I think there was one more. I think it was it this one? No, which one was it? I'm sure there was another one where you could. Yeah, look, this one here. Give your friends a gift of compound, and again you can earn an additional $40. And I'm pretty certain that that was it. There wasn't any more who was offering extra incentives. So that's a number of different ways that you can earn free Bitcoin using this platform over here. There is another way how you can earn some additional money, but it's not by watching videos, it's this here. So invite friends to Coinbase here. And you can see here, you'll both get free Bitcoin when a friend buys or sells $100 worth of crypto. So you'll get a link down here, and basically, literally, let me just show you this. I've copied this. Let me open this into a new tab. Let me just click on here, paste this in here so you can see how it looks. Look, you were invited to try Coinbase. Now, obviously, I'm in the UK, so this is in UK pricing. So $73 in the UK is the equivalent of $100 basically. So this would be your link. So you can see up here, it's got my link on here. So anyone clicked on here via my link, then I would potentially earn £7 if somebody spent £73 over on Coinbase. So that is another way how you can earn free Bitcoin. But overall, this here, you can potentially earn up to $110, and then as you've seen, it's quick, it's simple, and it's easy. So look, this is part one in this series. I'll share a couple more videos probably over the next week or two, and I'll share with you some extra ways how you can earn Bitcoin using legitimate platforms online. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know down below. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I shall see you tomorrow.